Good morning, students. Today we will take GK period. So first of all, we will first need to download the PDF. So we're going to start a new PDF, new chapter, which is chapter 3. So first of all, let's download the PDF. I have already uploaded in this link, which is available on your group description. So then class 7, then general knowledge. Okay, here are all the previous classes, lectures, and PDFs which has been uploaded on this link. Okay, so today we will take chapter 3 class. Okay, GK PDF. So there will be chapter 1 PDF, chapter 2 PDF, then their explanation, whereas now today we will begin chapter 3 and their explanation. Okay, so first of all, let's download the PDF. So here the your third chapter topic is scientific discoveries. We will discuss about some famous discoveries which is very important for our world, and their discoverers who have those who have discovered this uh, discovery. Okay, so I don't think it's need proper attention to it, so I will read out thoroughly, then you have to read it by yourself, as the exam will conduct will I will just ask you as who is the discoverer of who discovered blood circulation, or maybe who discovered bacteria. The answer could come like this. Okay, the question could come like this: who discovered bacteria, who is the discoverer of hydrogen. I might ask you like this, so I will just read it, as some answer might not be clear, so I will read it just thoroughly. The PDF will also available to you. Okay, I will also upload it in your group as well as on this link, so that you can fetch it on your exam time. So first of all, complete this table. You can imagine your life as antibiotics. Okay, these are specially known to medical line. Okay, medical discovery, not in material term. Antibiotics, without antibiotics means some kind of this one. Okay, so complete task: discovery and discoverer, country, year. So first one, blood circulation. William Henry, England, 1628. He have discovered this blood circulation, about this blood circulation in 1628. So without knowing this blood circulation, we all know that there are some bloods which circulates around our bodies, right? So the discoverer was William Harvey, England, from England. Bacteria, we all know about bacteria, so the discoverer is Anthony and Leeuwenhoek. It's quite difficult name. So Netherlands. He is from Netherlands in 1683. So I will just, this one is simple. So I will just made a focus, highlight the important one. Okay, means which is most commonly known. So hydrogen, electron. Electron is very important known, right? Not, it is not in that electrical term. It is in what, medical term. Okay, electron, which is in our bodies. Okay, they with some chemicals. So who is the discoverer? J Thomson, England, 1897. So hydrogen, who is the discoverer of hydrogen? Henry Cavendish, from France in 1766. So oxygen, insulin, we all know about insulin, right? That injection. So he is Frederick Bentin and J.J.R. McCall. J.J. not J.J. Thomson. Okay, from Canada in 19. Oxygen, Joseph Presley, England, 1774. Law of gravity, we all know about him, right? Isaac Newton, England. We all know about this law of gravity. There are so many gravities. You have already been learning on your science subject, right? Law. Who is the inventor? Isaac Newton, England, in 1666. Law of motion was also discovered by Isaac Newton in England in 1687. There was huge gap, right? Lightning conductor is not much important, but still I will read it. Benjamin Franklin, from USA, in 1746. Malaria germs. We all know that malaria, right? So it's caused because of that mosquito. Leveran. Charles Leveran is known as the discoverer was Charles Leveran, from France in 1880. So the question might come is, who is the discoverer of bacteria, or in which country does William Harvey live? Example, okay, I'm just giving you the question might come like this. So you need to go through this. The important one is as highlighted, this one, highlighted one, okay. This one is important: bacteria, then hydrogen, then oxygen, yeah, oxygen. Joseph Priestley, we have already discussed. Law of motion, law of gravity. This one is not important. Malaria, then measles vaccine. This is not important, okay. This one is not included. So rabies is very important. This one is very popular, okay. Rabies vaccine. Rabies is caused due to animals, okay. This rabies is caused to animals. Louis Pasteur, 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 Louis Pasteur, okay. Pasteur from France in 1860. Oral polio vaccine. We all take polio, right? But in previous times, in previous days, we used to take polio on our hand, but it is oral means, yeah, they have been taking some kind of drinks or something like that, okay. Albert Sabin, USA, from USA. Albert Sabin was the discoverer of polio vaccine. So all babies used to vaccinate themselves with this polio, okay, to get energy. So they are very popular. Polio is very important for every babies, okay. Newborn infants. Smallpox vaccine. Smallpox, we all know about this smallpox, right? Smallpox vaccine. Edward Jenner, England, 1796. So theory of evolution, Charles Darwin. Theory of evolution, we all know, right? From chimpanzee to human. Charles Darwin, England, in 1859. The Pythagorean theorem, Pythagoras. The Pythagorean theorem, we all know, right, in maths, that Pythagoras. We are all getting fed up of this, right? Pythagoras. The discoverer name was himself Pythagoras. He named this maths as his himself, from Greece in 6 BCE decade, okay. Typhus, this typhus we all know, right? Typhoid. This is another typhoid. J. Nicoli, France, 1790. So this, I think this is a photo of William Harvey. Let me see. Here, it is the picture of William Harvey and Albert Sabin. Albert Sabin was whom? The discoverer of polio, right? So J. Nicole, the discoverer of typhoid. So this one is very popular. This one the popular one, okay. William Harvey was the founder of what? Blood circulation. Then Albert Sabin was what? We all know, polio. Then Nicola. Then here, take the correct answer, correct option. Radium was discovered by Maria Curie and Pierre Curie of France. Radium. Then theory of gravity was discovered by gravity. We all know. Theory of gravity, relatively, was discovered by Albert Einstein. So theory of gravity, okay. Sorry, not this gravity. Theory of relativity was discovered by Albert Einstein. Then vitamin were discovered by C. Funk of Poland in 1912. So it takes too much time. We will revise it again on your next, I mean, whenever we finish the course for your first term, we will revise it again, okay. If we have the time, then we will revise it very clearly on your next class. I am doing it because I don't know when will you have the next exam, so I'm doing it fastly. So penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming, okay, of England. Polio smallpox vaccine was discovered by, so smallpox, this one is smallpox, okay. So Smallpox was discovered by Edward Jenner. Henry Cavendish was discovered. Henry Cavendish discovered what? Hydrogen, right? Then typhus vaccines were discovered by, they're very popular. We have just reading here. J. Nicole. Typhus. Then this one is your assignment. You have to, I won't tell you, it's very small, it is very easy. This one is you need to unscramble this word. Okay, smallpox, invention, what is this, discovery, this one is the discovery, malaria, bacteria. Underline the odd one out. So let's see, polio, measles, gravity, smallpox, rabies. So these are all disease, right? This one, these are all disease, these are all disease, right? This one, but this is low, so this one is odd. So electron, telephone, insulin, this one is also some kind of human body molecule, right? Hydrogen, but this one is odd. Telephone, gravity, motion, relatively, bacteria. So this one is low, motion, relatively, all lows, right? Pythagoras, some kind of kid, they need some kind of as physical, physics, right? Physical, no, I mean these are needs some calculation, Pythagoras. Then you need to read this sentence by your own. You need to read this sentence by your own. That's all for today. The time is going too fast, so that's why I'm saying it a little bit